And this is Teacher Dan, and we welcome you back again for another English lesson,
where we learn the English alphabet and its sounds,
vocabularies, and each sentence structure.
Are you ready? But first, let's sing one song.
What song, Teacher Dan?
How do you do?
Oh, I remember. Is that the song?
How do you do, everybody? How do you do? Yes, that's correct. Let's sing that song. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Teacher Dan. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Hey,
Now let's start the song.
How do you do, everybody? How do you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. How do you do, everybody? How do you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me.
Good day, students. I'm back again. I am Teacher Dan. Before we start our class today, we're going to review some of the letters in the English alphabet and its sound. Are you ready? Very well. Now, Teacher Dan is going to ask you what letter it is and what sound does it make. Alright, let's start. What letter is this and what sound does it make? Very good. The letter is P. The sound is P. Excellent. What letter is this? And what sound does it make? Alright, the letter is I. The sound is E. Very good. What letter is this? And what sound does it make? Very well. The letter is G. The sound is G. Alright. What letter is this and what sound does it make? Excellent. The letter is F. The sound is F. Alright, moving on. What letter is this and what sound does it make? Excellent. The letter is H. The sound is H. Very well. What letter is this and what sound does it make? Very good. The letter is M. The sound is M. Next, what letter is this and what sound does it make? Alright, the letter is L. The sound is Next, what letter is this and what sound does it make? Alright, the letter is S. The sound is S. Moving on. What letter is this and what sound does it make? Alright, the letter is T. The sound is T. Very good. What letter is this? And what sound does it make? Alright, the letter is A. The sound is A. Okay, we're now down to our second to the last letter. What letter is this and what sound does it make? Very well. The letter is B. The sound is B. Very good. And our last letter. What letter is this and what sound does it make? Alright, very well. The letter is C. The sound is K.
Good day, children! So it's me again, Teacher Josh, for another English lesson. So for today, I will be teaching you a new letter. Do you have any idea what letter is it? You can check your book and see what letter are we in now. Okay? You check your book. So do you know now? Great! So the letter is N. The sound is N. One more time. The letter is N. The sound is N. Very good. So this is the big letter N. And this is the small letter N. Okay? Very good. So again, this is the big letter N. And this one is the small letter N. Well done, children. So again, one more time, repeat after me. Okay? Big letter N. And then next we have small letter N. Well done. Big letter N and small letter N. The letter is N. The sound is N. One more time. The letter is N. The sound is N. Very good. Can you repeat after me? Great. So, one more time. The letter is N. The sound is N. Can you repeat? Very good. Okay, together with Teacher Josh. The letter is N. The sound is N. Very good. This is the small letter N. Can you repeat? Very good. So together with Teacher Josh. This is the small letter N. Well done. Next. This is the big letter M. Can you repeat? This is the the big letter N. Well done, children. So since we already know the letter N and its sounds, big letter N and small letter N, this time Teacher Josh will teach you how to write letter N using our letter house. Do you still remember what is this? This is what we call our letter house. Okay? So, but before that, I want you to repeat after me. Okay? But I will read first. So you have to listen carefully. Okay? Are you ready? Great! So let's begin. Roof. Roof. Ceiling. Ceiling. Floor. Floor. Basement. Basement. Okay? So this time, you have to repeat after me. Okay? So let's begin. roof. Roof. Can you repeat? Very good. Next, ceiling. Ceiling. Can you repeat? Well done. Next, floor. Floor. Well done. And last, we have basement. Basement. Can you repeat? Very good. So are you ready to learn how to write letter N using our letter house? That's so. Let's begin. So to draw letter N, you have to write a straight line from the roof down to the floor. Again, one more time. From the roof down to the floor. Okay? Next, from the roof, you have to draw a diagonal line down to the ceiling. Down to the floor, sorry. Down to the floor. Again, one more time. From the roof, a diagonal line down to the floor. Okay? And next, from the roof, again, draw a line going down to the floor. Okay? Great. One more time. From the roof, straight line down to the floor. Okay? This is the big letter N. Again, one more time. Let's do it again. Okay? From the roof, straight line down to the floor. And from the roof, diagonal line down to the floor. Okay? And last, from the roof down to the floor. Again, what letter is this? Big letter N. Well done, children. And next, we have to write the small letter N. Do you have any idea how to write the small letter N? Okay, so if not, you have to watch closely, okay? Are you ready? So let's begin. So from the ceiling, straight line down to the floor. Okay? One more time. From the ceiling, straight down line to the floor. Well done. Again, one more time. Repeat after me. From the ceiling down to the floor. Okay? And then halfway between ceiling and the floor, you have to write like a number 7, but you have to curve down a bit. So from here, watch closely, go up to the ceiling and down on the floor. Okay? So between the ceiling and then from the floor, you have to go up like number 7, but it's bended. Okay? From the ceiling down to the floor. Okay? Do we understand? Very good. So this is the small letter N. Can you repeat? This is the small letter N. Very good. So again, this is the big letter N. And this is the small letter N. Well done, children. Very good.
So that will be all for today, children. I hope you enjoy learning English with Teacher Dan
And Teacher Josh.
I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye!